physical therapists didn't just enter a career. They built a profession rooted in presence, grounded in science, and carried entirely by hand. They showed up through every shift in medicine, every policy battle, every new specialty that expanded what physical therapy could offer. The profession grew in reach, in rigor, and in the lives it was capable of changing. But as AI enters the conversation about the future of healthcare, a quiet question has been building in clinics about whether the hours behind a screen have started to outnumber the hours with patients. That's the refraction error. When a clinician's energy bends from the patient toward the screen, Spry was built to correct it, carrying the documentation, the billing, the admin, so clinicians can return to what they trained for, restoring movement. The best thing technology can do is give you your time back.